Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how far apart to plant Emerald Green Arborvitae. To achieve a dense privacy hedge, you'll want to plant them closer together. For a more natural, individual look, give them more room. Understanding their mature size is key to successful planting. Let's dive into the specifics of spacing for different outcomes. If your goal is a thick, impenetrable privacy screen, planting your Emerald Green Arborvitae 2 to 3 feet apart is ideal. This closer spacing encourages their branches to grow together, forming a seamless green wall. Remember to measure from the center of one plant to the center of the next for consistent spacing. This method creates a beautiful, uniform hedge. Perhaps you prefer a more natural, individual look for your Emerald Green Arborvitae. In that case, space them 4 to 6 feet apart. This gives each plant ample room to develop its full, conical shape without crowding. Wider spacing also improves air circulation, which is beneficial for overall plant health and reduces the risk of disease. It's all about your desired aesthetic. Beyond spacing, proper planting technique is crucial. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball, but only as deep as the root ball itself. This allows roots to spread easily. After planting, water thoroughly and consistently, especially during the first growing season. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home and garden experience. Happy planting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.